Hello, sixth graders. Today we're learning how to divide decimals. First, you'll probably see something like this, like 3.03 divided by 2.5. Now, the way we do this is what you have to do is take this number here, the divisor, which is 2.5. You have to multiply that by 10. And that just means you're moving the decimal point there, turning that 2.5 into a 25. And then this here, this 3.03, you have to do the same thing to that. So since you had to multiply 2.5 by 10 to make that a whole number 25, you have to also multiply the 3.03 by 10. So you move the decimal point there, making that a 30.3. Now that you've changed the 2.5 to a 25 and the 3.03 into a 30.3, you can go and solve it like a regular decimal divided by a whole number problem that we worked on in class last time. So 25 goes into 30 one time. Put your 1 up here. 1 times 25 is 25. You subtract. You get 5. Bring down the 3. Remember, put your decimal point up right above there. So 25 goes into 53 twice. That's 50. Subtract and get 3. Then you're going to have to add a 0 on here. Bring that down to 30. 25 goes into 30 once. So that's 25. You subtract and you get 5. Then you have to add another 0, drop it down, making that 50. And 25 goes into 50 twice. And you are done. So we have solved 3.03 divided by 2.5. The answer is 1.212. That's how you solve problems with decimals. So let's do one more. The next problem we have here is 4.8 divided by 0.12 or 0.12. You just set that up using your long division. So your divisor is 12, your dividend is 4.8. Now this time, to make that 0.12, that 12, into a whole number, to make it into a 12, you have to multiply it by 10 once and 10 again. So you're multiplying it by 100 in total to turn it into 12. So you have to do the same here. So you have to move that decimal point over once and then one more time for twice. So your decimal point will go there. So now instead of a 4.8, you have a 480. So that's 12 divided by 480 divided by 12. So let's go to the next slide and try that. All right, and now we just solve it like a regular long division problem. Start off, 12 goes into 48 4 times. 4 times 12 is 48. We subtract, get 0. Then we bring down the 0. 12 goes into 0 times. 0 times 12 is 0. We are finished. So 480 divided by 12 is 40, just in the same way that 4.8 divided by 0.112 is 40. All right, those are how you solve decimals dividing into decimals. If you have any questions, please let me know. You can contact me via email or via Google Classroom. All right, guys, you just have a few problems to do today, and have a great day. All right, bye-bye.